What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be doing an oil change on this 2013 Dodge Charger. All we're going to be needing is 7 quarts of 5W20 motor oil, an oil filter, a funnel, a 13mm socket, and a 10mm socket, and an oil filter wrench. You want to make sure that your engine is cool before you start changing the oil because you don't want to get burned. We're going to start by removing the lower splash shield, which is held on by 4 10mm bolts. Once you remove the splash shield, you'll see the oil pan and the oil drain plug. And right to the right is the oil filter. I position my catch pan right underneath my oil pan. The drain plug is a 13mm socket. And I had to use a second catch pan to catch all the oil. I ended up switching up to a cap filter wrench due to the filters in a tight little spot. After you remove the new oil filter from the box, you want to put some of the new oil on the rubber gasket of the new oil filter. That way it will create a good seal. After I tighten it up by hand, I'm going to use a cap filter wrench to finish it off. After that, it's time to reinstall the oil drain plug. Now I'm going to remove the engine oil cap. Now it's time for a funnel and our 5W20 motor oil. So I'm going to remove the funnel and reinstall the engine oil cap. So it's time to check the oil now. I'm going to pull it out, clean it off. You can see where it says add, and then you'll see the safe zone. You want the oil inside that safe zone. So we put it back in, and now we're going to take it out for our accurate reading now. And it's hard to tell with the light, but the oil is perfect. And after any oil change, you want to make sure that you discard of your old oil properly. Most auto stores and most mechanic shops will take it for recycling. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing.